There is still a bit of a tense standoff here. Hello folks, welcome back and welcome into another lockdown lunch video. Today I'm going to be having these Findus express chips from Farm Foods, 99p for 2 boxes, and I'd say they are exactly like McDonald's chips. So let's get cooking. Right, a quick overview before I start. 2.5 minutes in a radioactive box, and it's not exactly rocket science. Open the lid, put it in your microwave. I think you're supposed to put salt in beforehand, but I like to put it in afterwards. Shake the box, open and eat. Please note, salt is not provided. So yeah, let's go. See you later. And as always guys, before any food preparation or whether handling food, always wash your mitts, you little. Right, fresh out that radioactive box, let's whack the salt on, and let's do what McDonald's love doing the most, is putting loads of salt on your chips. Give it a little shake. There you go. Exactly like McDonald's chips. Tastes really lovely. So what I'm going to do, quick and simple snack, is just load all these very carefully, onto ham. Place on the top and grab a knife. And bon appetit. Right, I thought it'd be rude not to have the second box, and seeing as though they come in 2-pack, I may as well have 2-pack. So again, we'll soak these up as McDonald's would. We'll give them a little shake and we'll put them into a chip holder. Or we'll try anyway. If McDonald's ever does close again, if Butties decides to shut everything again, by all means go out and buy yourself some of these, because these taste exactly like McDonald's chips. And like it says on the packet, bon appetit. Cheers for watching as always guys. Again, you don't just have to be in lockdown to have these meals. It just sounds good. Lockdown lunch, very edgy and dramatic. Wow. But yeah, cheers for watching, and I shall see you in the next lockdown lunch video. Oh, it's going off big time here. It's gonna go off big time. Oh, there's some tails going here. There's some tails going. It's like the Royal Rumble here. Look at that tail. Hey, look at that tail. Looks like he's cleaning the floor. Where's that tail? Hey, where's that tail? It's gonna go off. The atmosphere is very tense. Standoff continues. Hey, where's that belly? Hey, where's that belly? Where's that belly? He makes his tail on the floor, then doesn't he, this one? Hey, where's that tail? Here she comes. As always, it's goodbye from here once he stops looking for cats, and it's goodbye from him. Hey, you're causing murder inside the house there. You know, hey, hey. Nice tickle, nice tickle. Mrs. Paisley. Hey, come here. Come here. There you go. Mrs. Pairs. Aren't you? Hey. Look at the poo in the garden. That mean yeah? Hey? Yeah. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Look, your mates are in there. Hey. There you go.